Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice consonant and vowel sounds. So the first part that we are going to practice is consonants, and we are going to start with this English sounds is like 30. Okay, the next English sound is like them. The next English sound is like vacation. The next one is or like really. The next one is like shy. Okay, the next one is j, 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 like genre. The next one is shit, like chain. Okay, the next one is j, like juice. The next one is uh, like song. And the last one is like house. Okay, let's move on to the next subject. It's vowels. So we start with this English sound is E, like a easy. The next one is I, like a if. The next one is like a education. Okay, the next one is like animal. The next one is R, like arm. The next one is like rock. The next one is like tall. Okay, the next one is like back. The next one is ooh, like moon. The next one is like run. The next one is like bird. The next one is like again. Okay, let's continue with this word. It is diphthong. So here we can verify a different kind of English sounds. Like the first English sound is a, like a play. The next one is I, like a try. The next one is oi, like a noise. The next one is ow, like a town. Okay, the next one is like a hope. The next one is ear, like a here. Okay, let's move on with the next English one is air, like a care. Okay, and we have the last English one is ooh, like a sure. Now I am going to pronounce this tongue twister is those hungry heroes wearing velvet robes rush through the shining hedge, chasing joyful visions, hearing dragons and roaring. Once again, those hungry heroes wearing velvet robes rush through the shining hedge, chasing joyful visions, hearing dragons roaring. Okay, this is the last English sound. And also, I would like to tell you there are different pronunciation between American English and British English. So, in my case, I prefer American English, but this is the most common pronunciation that we have for phonetics. And thank you so much for watching my video.